It's 16 past 8. Daily beach check. Let's see who's coming with me this morning. I think it's Claudia. Claudia, are you coming with?
Coming.
Where is she?
In church.
She's having a early morning poopsie.
I'll be in the vlog.
You coming with me? Or is Claudia coming? Or you both?
Yep.
I think I might be going down to the bench by myself this morning. Let's have a look and see.
That's fine.
Excuse me. Well, there's 3 sneezes.
My record's 9.
9?
Go.
9 sneezes in a row. That's pretty crazy, man.
And 13 in 1 minute.
Where are you bringing the racket?
Tennis course.
You got tennis today?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
And tomorrow and Thursday.
Hey, beach check.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get ready for tennis.
You both got tennis today, yeah?
Yeah.
They both got tennis lessons today.
Yeah,
Man, it's been grey, cloudy every single day we've been here. It sucks. I want a sunny day. And it's got a bit of wind today as well. Where are you playing tennis, kids?
Oh no, now you're both sent. I think we're at like, what's it called? Pritchard's Board or something. Pritchard's Tennis Club.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Don't worry, you might get eaten by Jaws, lady.
Yeah. Tell the vlog what we watched last night.
Jaws.
Yeah.
1. the close-up shots of the shark, like the face, is so plastic. It's so fake. And the first attacker, she's like,
It's good to know that a movie that's 41 years old, as old as I am, came out in 1975, scared the absolute crap out of me when I watched it when I was this kid's age. But these kids, they just don't get scared by that stuff anymore. And to me, I was amazed at how slow that movie is. Everything happens just 1/10 of a speed that a regular film would take place. Like, instead of calling the cops and then putting out the sign saying no swimming, it just takes forever to get there, and it's very frustrating, and I don't want to watch part 2 or part 3.
With calling the cops, it takes ages. He has to wake up, go to the beach, and then the guy blows the whistle. Then he has to make the signs to put them in.
Yeah. Pretty bad, huh?
Yes, very.
And that takes place at a beach not unlike this. Any pop quiz for the movie? What was the beachside suburb called?
Amity.
Nice memory. Nice memory. You know what Mama asked me as we were watching it?
What?
She said, "What's this movie called again?" She forgot it was called Jaws. Interesting waves today.
Yeah, there's
Some people down there. It's like a bit of storm coming our way.
Oh man, I looked on the phone last night, and around in Culburra Beach or somewhere, like last year I think,
Yeah.
there was over 50 sharks.
Oh, really? What kind of sharks?
Different sharks. They shut the beach down.
Did Brody shut that beach down, did he?
Bro,